Yeah. Good afternoon, all.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome here. So today we have the webinar on the transformation of a nurse to a leader. So before start the webinar, I would like to give the introduction about our company. So I am Dhanmeet Kaur, team leader, Astron Institute of International Study, Gurgaon. We are 18 years old company focused on planning, designing, also doing quality and accreditation for the hospital by doing NABH and JCI. We are offering 50 plus certificate diploma programs for nurses and paramedical technicians, adopting a blended approach with major focus on practical learning through on-job trainings. Right now, more than 10,000 plus nurses are satisfied and well placed at national and global level in reputed organization with the NABIT ISO 17024, and also proud to tell you that now we are also training partner with Skill India. Now I would like to introduce our expert, Ms. Deepa Chok ma'am. She has 21 years of experience at various capacity in clinical practices, academics, quality, and administration. She is also NABH assessor since 2017, published various scientific papers in national and international journals, expert speaker at various forums, author for chapters in nursing books. Now, currently, she is working as a nursing superintendent at Akash Hospital at Dwarka, Delhi. So now it's over to you, ma'am. You can start.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the introduction. And we have anyways overshooted the time. So I would start. I thank Astron for always being, supportive and giving me the opportunity to interact with so many nurses. Though that's my core, in spite of that, the technology as well as Astron has given me that.
Ma'am, please share your screen.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Just a minute. So today we will be speaking on how to become a nurse leader. And to become a nurse leader, first you have to become a good nurse. That's the first crux of it. Yes, but we have to keep our goals. Leader does not mean always the chair. You can be the leader even if you are doing your individual work and continue to do it in a proper way and guiding our people. Now, how we have to become or we have to do that is what we are going to learn today. Not that, remember one thing, that leadership cannot be taught. It can only be learned. If you want it, if you want to be a good leader, then it is your becoming. It is not anyone else's becoming, and you cannot learn it through books. You cannot learn it through any expert. You just have to bring that change in you and start performing it. So that was what was told by the great Harold Jennen. And first thing first, we should know why in today's time, in nursing, why am I looking that अभी मुझे leader बनना चाहिए या आप लोग जो मैं देख रही हूँ I'll try and mix Hindi and English because I know there are a lot of people who will be able to understand Hindi better than English, and we have mixed. So I'll try doing it in both these things because that is what the feedback I got from my previous classes also, that try incorporating Hindi also. So which I will try doing this time. So पहली बात है मुझे क्यों करना है अभी क्यों करना है why should I start thinking you all people are young people so why now why not previously why not in the future forget about being young it can also happen that people who are at the age of 50 60 also can become leaders that's not age is not the limit मैं ही क्यों मैंने क्यों करना है मैं ही क्यों लीडर बनूं बाकी लोग हैं ना every one of us cannot be leaders but if you are joined, what 52 of you are presently with us. So why me? And uske liye kya karna hai? What do I have to do that I will become a leader? How should I prepare? And what should be my future actions? On these 5 questions, we are going to keep our today's topic. We are going to discuss on our today's topic on basis of these 5 questions. When I say why now, क्यों अभी पहले क्यों नहीं हमने ये बारे में सोचा था पहले क्यों हम लीडरशिप के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे थे क्योंकि 21st सेंचुरी की जो नर्स है दैट नर्स doesn't have to talk about promise of nursing. I hereby take the oath that I will be this, I will be this. No, today's nurse do not want that. Today's nurse can produce evidence in support of the nursing making a difference. आप आपके काम में से difference बनाते. That is what today's nurse is. Today's nurse is not the one who is going to support the primary care provider, but is a primary care provider. Gone are the days where you will be having only two nurses in the ward and there will be people who are going to do the basic work. Now, the nurse-patient ratio is far more better. And because we are qualified and because we have scientific background, every basic job also of the patient has to be done by us, including the elimination need. So we are the primary care providers, be it at home or be it in the hospital. Today's nurse doesn't only work on one aspect. एक जैसे पहले होता था, एक नर्स है हॉस्पिटल में तो वो कंटिन्यूसली सालों के साल रिटायरमेंट तक हॉस्पिटल में काम कर रही थी. अब ऐसा नहीं है. 2 years, 3 years down the line, the people want to change. They want to assume different responsibilities. I've seen people working in insurance companies. They are working with, these technology-based companies. They're working in clinics. They are CHOs. They are public health nurses. They are research nurses. There are nurses who are working in various companies, these medical products. And there are nurses who are having their own enterprises. There are nurses who are running businesses. Okay, maybe small scale businesses, but then they are independent. So today's nurse do not want to only continue one single job, 9 to 5 job, सुबह से लेके या morning evening night shifts चल रही है आपकी, जिंदगी भर आपने वो निकाल दिया. आज की नर्स को वो नहीं चाहिए. आज की नर्स को चेंज चाहिए. आज की नर्स को चाहिए कि मैं बहुत सारे responsibilities, roles निभाऊं and want to explore. That is what the Gen Z is all about, that they want to explore. They don't want to only go on earning. They want to earn as well as spend on themselves. They want to also explore the world, learn new things and assume responsibilities. इसीलिए first question, why now? क्यों अभी करना है हमको? Is the first reason. Also, 21st century healthcare is not what the healthcare was 20 years back when I was a student. No, when I was a student, things were very, very different. But the new knowledge and technology which has improved us, not that we are deteriorating. The information technology is so high. Every hospital in today's time has HIS system. All your prescriptions, all your dispensing of medications, your nursing care plans, nursing notes, your critical values, everything is HIS based. And if you are not knowing this, then you will not be able to. Complexity of reimbursements, जो TPAs रहते हैं, third party assurances which are there, that counts a lot and you should know about it. हमारे hospital में अगर मैं सिर्फ देख लूँ, all the nurses know, okay, this patient belongs to the panel, this person belongs to TPA, this person is, in this role, that role, all they should know. Why they should know? Because the payment structures are different. And more private hospitals are coming into picture. That's why the 21st century hospitals are different than what it is. A variety of settings are there. Today's time, there's something like even जो पहले जैसे इंडस्ट्रीज में, माइंस में नर्सेस हुआ करते थे, आज स्कूल्स में नर्सेस हैं. हर स्कूल में एक नर्स है. आजकल जो ये बड़े बड़े कंपनीज हैं, Tata consultancies, and then you say these HP, Dell, HCL, they all have their own small clinics for their own for their own employees in that particular office, so that they don't have to rush here and there. They required a qualified nurse to handle all. You would have seen CHOs coming up. So these are all the settings which the healthcare was not having way back 20 years back. Or in fact, I would say 6, 7, 8 years back also. कुछ नहीं था. अभी इतना जल्दी इतना changes आए थे. Patients are so aware about things. वो आके आपको क्वेश्चन करते हैं, मैं ये ले रहा था, अभी मेरे को ये भी एक टैबलेट ऐड की है बिकॉज द सॉल्ट इन दिस टैबलेट इज लाइक दैट, या यही सॉल्ट में एक और मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है जिसके साइड इफेक्ट्स कम है. सो दे देमसेल्व्स नो सो मेनी थिंग्स. They are well aware about it. They are well read. They are educated. So they will come and ask you that. Then collaboration with the interdisciplinary team. It's not that today's time you are only working. डॉक्टर ने ऑर्डर दे दिया, आपने बोल दिया. Just give me a minute. So, today's time, it is not that the doctor is just giving the orders and you are just listening to them. And yes, you have to listen, because if these are medication orders, these are fluid orders, you will. But you are here to give them feedback. You are here to tell them, okay, yesterday night this patient was having this, or call the physiotherapist. You feel that the patient requires a better diet, you have the rights to call the dietitian. You have to work with all the departments one on one, and then only the patient will sail through. Otherwise, the hospitals are complex and today's. Consumers are the prime focus. Not that पहले कंज्यूमर का फोकस नहीं था. पहले हम ज्यादा उनको पेशेंट्स बोलते थे. वी वर नॉट अंडर द कंज्यूमर एक्ट. आज की डेट में द हेल्थ केयर इज अंडर द कंज्यूमर एक्ट. द मोमेंट इट हैज कम अंडर द कंज्यूमर एक्ट, देन द पेशेंट्स हैव बिकम कंज्यूमर और ऑटोमेटिकली. ये तो हमें गवर्नमेंट ने ही बोला कि आप इनको कंज्यूमर बनाएंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज फैसिलिटी वेयर यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विस. दिस इज सर्विस ओरिएंटेड industry. So that is how the entire scenario of the healthcare is different in today's time. और आज की डेट में आपको भी उनके साथ में, उसी पेस में, उसी रफ्तार में आपको चलना पड़ेगा. अगर हम उस रफ्तार में नहीं चल रहे हैं, then I don't think we should even remain as nurses. Forget about being leaders. Then even nursing छोड़ के अपने घर पे बैठना पड़ेगा. Lalita, can I? Yes, you have something to tell? Or can we have question answer sessions at the end? Okay, we'll have it at the end. The second questions which are there, all the participants, I would request, whatever questions you are having, you can keep it for the last so that we can have 10 minutes of our discussions. You can write it down and keep it. Second question is, मैं क्यों, बहुत सारे लोग हैं नर्सिंग में, इतने लाखों लोग हैं, मैंने ही क्यों सोचने का है? इसीलिए सोचने का है क्योंकि आज के समय पे अगर आप बोर्ड रूम्स में देखोगे, जो बड़ी मीटिंग्स होती हैं, हॉस्पिटल की मीटिंग्स होती हैं, अब के समय में है, वी गो फॉर एवरी मीटिंग. नो कमिटी इज कंप्लीट विदाउट अ नर्सिंग पर्सनल अटेंडेंस. Be it your pharmacy committee meeting, be it infection control meeting, be it your quality, be it facility safety, be it any kind of meeting, mortality meetings, everything a nurse representative is in today's time. But क्या ये सब हॉस्पिटल्स में है? नहीं है. इसीलिए आज आप और मैं यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं और मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि ये आपको जो एक जगह है छोटी सी, जो नर्स को बिठानी है, ये बिठानी आपका काम है, बिकॉज यू हैव टू ब्रिंग द नर्स टू द बोर्डरूम, एंड दैट कैन ओनली हैपन if you are competent, you have good knowledge, and you can portray yourself in the right way. This क्यों आपको करना है? There are two reasons to it. One is patient perspective, one is your perspective. Patient perspective ये है, patient care perspective ये है कि patient को आज चाहिए focused treatment. Focused treatment मतलब मैं important हूँ. अगर कल को मैं admit होती हूँ, then I need that I should be given individual care. I do not want that 30 patients are there. इन 30 को एक ही दवाई देनी है तो मैं भी उसी में ही हूँ. I will have different anxieties. I will have different concerns. I will have different questions. I should be considered as special and focused. That is what every patient requires today. इसीलिए आपको भी ये बात समझनी है. Expert knowledge is the prime thing. Quality care and patient safety. Today we are screaming to everyone and talking about quality and patient safety because that's our basic of the healthcare. Even the doctors and everyone today, we are targeting on patient safety. You are the fraud fighter. अगर आप नहीं हो, बोलते हैं ना, nurses are the advocate for the patient. So what you are doing is basically you're not letting people cheat your patients. You are the innovator and you also are the problem solver for the patient. Patient सबसे पहले किसको बोलता है? आप ही को बोलता है. You as a nurse, I give you one simple example. Patient came at 8 o'clock. Patient got admitted at 8 o'clock. Now in a hospital, 8 o'clock, the food gets distributed. और नया अगर करने का है तो आपको अलग कार्ड रेस करना पड़ता है. HIS में आपको रेस करना पड़ता है कि ये पेशेंट अभी आया है, आपको देना है. अगर ये छोटी सी चीज एक नर्स मिस कर देती है, then the food gets delayed by 2 hours and the patient is having complaints. छोटी सी चीज है, but it's of basic importance. बेसिक चीज है, बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नहीं खाएगा पेशेंट, चिड़चिड़ा हो जाएगा. And then the patient is posted for major surgery the next day. Then the number of hours of NPO will remain, that will not fulfill. पूरी surgery बिगड़ जाएगी. So you understand that you are the problem solver for the patient. अपने आप को महत्व देना सीखो. You are very important. But what is happening is, I am a poor nurse, I am a bechari nurse. No. I am very important in the healthcare. First, try and understand that. I'm giving you one simple thing. ये कल ही हुआ है. 8 बजे handing taking over का time है. The nurse forgets it, and because of that, everything gets delayed. So how important is that one single nurse and that one single sandwich? You understanding? So that's very important for you to understand. So interpersonal कोलैबोरेशन बहुत चाहिए. आपको हर समय चौकन्ना रहना है. दैट इज व्हाट मल्टीटास्किंग का जमाना है. ओके. नर्स रिलेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव, मैं क्यों बनना चाहती हूँ एक लीडर? क्योंकि आई वांट टू बिकम, आई वांट टू ग्रो इन पर्सपेक्टिव. आई वांट that whatever I have gained knowledge, I should be able to distribute it to others. जो एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू भी नॉलेज मिला है, बुक्स के थ्रू भी मिला है, मुझे अपने टीचर्स के थ्रू भी मिला है, मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू भी मिला है, कलीग्स के थ्रू भी मिला है. आई वांट टू स्प्रेड दैट नॉलेज एंड दैट इज व्हाई मी. ओके. यू गेट टू नो योर वर्थ. आज मुझे पता है कि 50 लोग मेरे सुनने के लिए हैं. दैट मीन्स आई एम ऑफ सम वर्थ. आई एम इम्पोर्टेंट. आप लोग सब ज्वाइन हुए हैं यहाँ पर. आप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आप भी आज वही चीज करना चाह रहे हैं आपके पेशेंट्स के लिए. आपके पेशेंट्स के लिए यू आर दी बेस्ट एडवोकेट एंड दैट इज अ प्रूफ ऑफ इट. You want to make an impact to the healthcare delivery system, and that is why a nurse, that is why all of you have gathered here. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो पता नहीं लाखों में नर्सेस हैं, तो हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा होता ना. But everyone doesn't want that. You want it, so you are here. You are the ones who are looking forward for obtaining new skills, meeting new people, expanding your networks, and being inspired. मेरे जैसे और बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, आप उनको मिलेंगे. आप शायद हो सकता है किसी एक से इंस्पायर हो जाए और उससे इंस्पायर होके बहुत बार आप अपने टीचर्स से हो जाते हैं, अपने कलीग्स से होते हैं इंस्पायर. जिससे भी आप सीख रहे हैं वो इंस्पायर होके आपके फ्यूचर के लिए एक अच्छा लीडर. ओके. रिमेम्बर वन थिंग, एक सिंपल सा प्रिंसिपल है. एक लीडर अच्छा तभी बन सकता है जब वो एक अच्छा नागरिक है, एक अच्छा इंडिविजुअल है. मैं एक अच्छी इंसान हूँ तो मैं ऑटोमेटिकली एक अच्छी लीडर बनूंगी. इफ आई एम अ गुड citizen of the country, follow all the norms, rules, regulations of the country, abide to the law of the country, then I am a good leader automatically, because through me I'm making my children learn. Even if you are making your children, you are a leader. Leader does not mean कि मेरे अंडर 400 लोग हैं. No, that is not leadership. Okay. Now इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? What do I have to do to become, to take that step of leadership? You have to enhance, or you can say आपका जो डोमेन है उसको बड़ा करना है. डोमेन बड़ा करना है. आप देख रहे हो सेंटर में आप एक इंडिविजुअल, बट ये इंडिविजुअल इज एक्चुअली अ पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप. आप कभी भी अकेले तो नहीं काम करते हो, आप सबके साथ मिलके काम करते हो. So you are not alone like an individual. You are a part of the group, and the group is part of the governance. Now, when I say governance, governance for me is my hospital also. Governance is for me my RWA where I'm staying also. Governance for me is the country also. Okay. So you as individual play a different role. And for that, you should keep your own vision. मुझे अगर पता ही नहीं है कि मुझे क्या बनना है, बनना मुझे ये नहीं है कि मुझे प्रधानमंत्री बनना है या मुझे वन डे व्हेन बिफोर डाइंग आई हैव दैट ड्रीम ऑफ बिकमिंग द प्रेसिडेंट. बन गई तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो आई डोंट वांट टू. दैट्स नॉट माय विजन. माय विजन इज दैट whoever is associated with me, whoever nurse is associated with me, I should stand by my nurses. I always tell the management also. They say, मैडम आप बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं अपनी नर्सेस. तो मैंने बोला आपने मुझे रखा ही इसलिए है ना. If my nurses are not there, then मेरी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. I should not be there. If my nurse is not there, I'm not there. So my vision is that I should stand by my nurses. I should propagate, or I should, speak for my profession. Should not feel bad. Many people, they say, oh, doctor so and so. So I stop them. I tell them that, I'm not a doctor. Many people, even at home, my maid would say, Madam, ye, so I have to tell them, see, I'm not a doctor by profession. But if you want to ask me, can I take that tablet? I can tell you I'm a nurse. So be proud first. So I have that vision that I want to take my profession high, whatever best I can give, जो मैंने सीखा है, जो मैंने knowledge gain किया है, that I want to give. So that's my vision. But someone may have the vision of becoming the president. Oh, it's okay, very good. No problem of that. Then comes is your knowledge. जब तक आपको knowledge ही नहीं है आपके basic science का, आपके nursing का, then you will never be able to stand. आप एक अच्छे leader बन ही नहीं सकते. So my earnest request to this younger generation is, because I take a lot of interview, half of the day कभी कभी जाता है सिर्फ interviews लेने में, and I feel pained that basic knowledge भी नहीं है. Why? Because जब टीचर क्लास ले रही हैं या आप जब पढ़ रहे हैं, you are just reading for the sake of passing the examination. And nursing is not like that. Nursing has to be inculcated. जहन में आपके नर्सिंग होनी चाहिए, तब आप एक अच्छे नर्स हो. और वो तब हो सकेगा जब आपने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की. ओके, सो नॉलेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नो डे इज लेट. जब जागो तब सवेरा. अगर आप नहीं किया था आपने बीएससी में, जीएनएम में, अब पढ़ लो, कोई बात नहीं है. हम भी अभी पढ़ लेते हैं बहुत बार. Okay, so knowledge is abundant in today's time, and believe me, you should not only keep knowledge of nursing, you should know politics, you should know the Olympic games which are going on, you should know about geography, कि भाई कहाँ कहाँ बाढ़ आ रही है, क्या हो रहा है, what's happening. So knowledge is abundant. Read wherever you can. Interpersonal effectiveness. Interpersonal effectiveness is मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ. That is interpersonal communication. That's not effectiveness. Effectiveness is when that other person reciprocate to you in the same way what you have reciprocated to that person. मतलब आपने जिस तरीके से उसके साथ में रिलेशन बनाया है, बात की है, दूसरा भी इंसान आपके साथ में वैसे ही करे और उसी पेस में, उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी में. Got it? That is what is interpersonal effectiveness. So you have to make relations, not necessarily personal relations, not necessarily professional relationship. It could be just anything. And the way you talk, people should come forward to help you out. I'll give you one simple example. Maybe an hour back, I wanted some help from a Mumbai-based hospital. So I wrote it in one of the group saying that I need urgent help from so-and-so hospital. Can anyone share me the number? Within half a minute, I would say, I got the number. I called that person. I requested. I said, sir, I'm in urgent need. My own brother is getting admitted to your hospital. I'm unable to come. Please, can you help out? And within like 3 minutes more, I got a call from my sister-in-law saying that Didi, it is done and the investigation is getting done. And I was getting the appointment. He was getting appointment 3 days later. 3 days later, things will prolong, medicines will prolong, and I was just getting anxiety because he's a young chap and getting into trouble. So, that is what the interpersonal, the way you have spoken, not that maybe if he was not in the position, he wouldn't have, but if you would have, you have to put it across in the way that the other person reciprocates it to you in that way only, then that is what is interpersonal effectiveness. Your communication was effective towards it. This is just simple, day to day. आप आपके लीडर्स को भी, आप आपके बॉस को भी कल को जाके बोलेंगे तो उनको वो चीज समझ में आनी चाहिए. एंड फॉर दैट यू विल हैव टू गो टू योर अथॉरिटीज विद एविडेंस. अगर आप एविडेंस के साथ में कभी भी जाओगे किसी के पास में और जाके अपना मुद्दा रखोगे तो वो सॉल्व होना ही होना है. बट अगर आप ऐसे ही उठ के चले गए बिना अपना होमवर्क किए, देन नेवर यू विल बी एबल टू कीप अ इंटरपर्सनल इफेक्टिवनेस. देन इज सिस्टम थिंकिंग. नाउ एज अ लीडर यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक कि मैं सिर्फ अपने नर्सेस के बारे में सोचूंगी, मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है हॉस्पिटल के बारे में. दैट कैन नॉट हैपन. You will have to think of the system. You will have to think of your organization also. And also personal mastery. Now, personal mastery is not सिर्फ ज्ञान होना चाहिए. You should know how to present yourself. ठीक है. मैंने ये बात बोल रही हूँ कि आपको बहुत मेकअप करने का है, एकदम जगमगाते हुए कपड़े पहनने हैं, लहराते हुए कपड़े पहनने. No, you should wear something which will fit your personality. कॉन्फिडेंस कैरी करो, स्माइल कैरी करो, एंड डिसेंट क्लोथ्स, डिसेंट ड्रेसिंग, decent gestures. The best makeup which you can wear is a beautiful smile. Not that every time that is required, but that carries a lot of confidence. Also, keep up your head strong, keep your vision towards the horizon. So that is your personal mastery uh, for yourself. Now, leadership is not only these things. There are a lot of other things which on the future slides we will be discussing on. Leadership is also teamwork. If you are not a team worker, then आपका कोई आप किसके लीडर बनो, क्या करो अगर आपकी खुद की अपनी टीम वीक है and you are not able to even convince your own team and make them work together. Power, you will never get power. There are people who are sitting on big chairs but are not having power. Power can only and only come by your doing. आपने किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा किया या आपने उनको नहीं भी किया. See, many a times it happens. Say, for example, increment. Like few months back, every one of you would have also got the increment. Not everyone is happy. So what will you do? Go to the management, fight for them, and make everyone's increment 15%, 20%. No, not possible. Not possible. Some may not be happy. So what will you have to do? Few, yes, when you genuinely think कि नहीं इसको मिलना चाहिए था, she's a very competent nurse, she's a good leader and everything, then in that condition, yes, you should approach your management also, you should try getting her or him good increment. But someone whom you know that is average in working, you should use your power, increase the competencies as well as convince the person. Okay, so that is the role of your power also. And at times, if required, you will have to just tell that person very straightforward that this is not what we are looking at and we want you to improve this. Then is competence. Competence मैंने आपसे पहले भी बोला है कि आप जिस प्रकार से आपका काम करते हो, if you are a competent nurse, मतलब आगे की स्लाइड्स में और आएगा कॉम्पिटेंस के बारे में, तब बात कर लेंगे. Then is communication. Your communication has to be clear. Again, very, very simple kind of things I would tell you that, I passed a message to someone and that someone perceived it some way and आगे किसी और ने किसी और को बोल दिया कुछ अलग तरीके से and that third person calls me up and says, what is this, Deepa? This is not the way I told you this. मैं बोला ऐसा तो कुछ था ही नहीं. Right? Again, one example, हम WhatsApp में बहुत बार लिख लेते हैं. Okay? But दूसरा आदमी उसको कैसे ले रहा है, that's very important. Maybe you have not put it across that way, but the person has taken it that way. So in those situations, you should call the person, get it clarified. और ये हर आए के दिन होता है, क्योंकि आपने अपने नर्स मैनेजर को कुछ बोला होगा, नर्स मैनेजर ने जाके इंचार्ज को कुछ बोल दिया, ये स्टाफ को कुछ बोल दिया या टीएल को कुछ बोल दिया, इट्स ऑल गेट मेस्ड अप, wherein what you wanted to tell your staff was not what was communicated, right? So it is better, one, if you want to have a communication to all your staff, one best mechanism is document. आप एक circular निकालेंगे, let everyone read so that there is clarity to it. Anyone having grievances on that, they can mail it, they can come forward, they can speak. That is clarity in your communication. Responsibility. Many people, they want to take leadership roles, but then they do not want to take responsibilities. Abhi, say for example, I promoted one TL to manager level. This is, मैम इतनी इन्वेंट्री है, मैं ऐसे अकेले कैसे चेक करूंगी, ये कैसे होगा, मैं नाइट में नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मेरे को घंटा भर और लग जाता है, मेरा बच्चा छोटा है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है. And if you do not want to take responsibilities and only want to take that, ताज जब पहनते हैं ना, जो राजा जब ताज पहनता था, वो ताज आपको पता है वो सोने का होता था, उसमें हीरे जवाहरात जड़े हुए रहते. Imagine you wearing something like very heavy on your head. Can you walk with that? That is what is responsibility. So राजा का जो मुकुट रहता था ना, जानबूझ के इतना heavy बनाते थे that राजा should always know that I have this responsibility and I have this heaviness on my head. You know, that is what हमारे कहानियों में बताया जाता है कि this is what the responsibility the king used to take. So not every king is a leader. That is a different aspect. But मैं बता रही हूँ कि आपके ऊपर आपको responsibility लेनी पड़ेगी, और बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that you should come forward and take the responsibility. Say if in charge is sick and the TL is also on leave, then senior TL is, you should come forward. I will do it. Automatically you have taken the leadership role, and you would also know where am I standing. Okay, so these small elements you have to work, or to become a leader. Remember, it's a big hardworking job. वो शुरू से हार्डवर्किंग रखना पड़ता है, तब जाके आप बने. सिर्फ ऐसे बोल बोल के आप लीडर नहीं बन सकते. Skills I have already spoken about. Your motivation should always be high. Motivation of doing anything. It could be simple, just an article writing, to conducting a chota kind of a party in your send-off party in your unit, or anything else. You should be motivated. You should know. Many people they, हाँ इधर करके कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, तो किधर करके फायदा है? एक्स हॉस्पिटल में फायदा नहीं है, वाई में फायदा नहीं है, थर्ड कंपनी में ज्वाइन किया उधर फायदा नहीं है, तो कहाँ फायदा है भाई? आप पहले अपने आप के लिए तो फायदा करो. फर्स्ट यू कीप योरसेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. बाकी बाकी डिपार्टमेंट नहीं कर रहे तो मैं क्यों करूं? आप आपके लिए कर रहे हो, बाकी डिपार्टमेंट से आपको कंपैरिजन नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज मोटिवेशन. Support system, create your own support system. No one will come and hold your hands. I cannot expect my other colleagues, they have been very supportive, but because I am supportive, they are supportive. अगर मैं भी ना करूं वो भी कोई नहीं करेगा. Today it is the relationships are like that. Okay, so this was your third question. Coming to the fourth question, how to prepare. अब ये आप लोग ने ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर चुके, तो ये लेवल तक आप ऑलरेडी आ चुके हो. That how are you, all of you are preparing, you are in the preparing phase. Now for that, remember that any leader, that's why I told you, leadership is not that you are going to get it through you're going to learn it, or just because this position. बहुत सारे ऐसे लीडर्स को देखी हुई हूँ who are not able to be justified for the chair which they are sitting on. Okay, so you can either become an informal leader. That means you do not have any position, you do not have any support system, but you are just helping out people. Say, for example, your RWA. योर रेजिडेंशियल वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन जो रहता है ना, हर कॉलोनी में एक RWA रहता है। अब मेरे कॉलोनी में अगर घास बढ़ गई है बिकॉज रेनी सीजन है और बहुत सारे कॉकरोच आ रहे हैं, ये आ रहे हैं, सांप आ रहे हैं, so and if I am taking that initiation of taking writing a letter or a mail to my the secretary and telling that secretary कि भाई इसका कटाई होनी चाहिए and all that itself is a informal leader. No one told me to do that. सब उस घास के थ्रू पार होते हैं, सबको दिखता है कि इतने सारे झाड़ झाड़ ज्यादा हो गए हैं, somewhere we'll have to do the कटाई of all those things. Then why am I only doing it? This is informal leadership. No one will tell you, but your inner self tells you कि ये करना चाहिए. This is not good for the safety of all of us. Okay? So that is what is an informal leader. Hands-on leader. Hands-on leader मतलब जैसे समझो अगर मैं एक नर्स हूँ, मेरे को 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, मेरे साथ में अभी कोई एक और लड़की ज्वाइन की है, मेरे ड्यूटी में ही साथ में है, एंड शी स्ट्रगलिंग to put a cannula or to give injection, or she's not very confident in mixing the drug and all, then I have to just help her out. मेंटर मेंटी रिलेशनशिप होता है ना, तो मेंटर तो कोई बहुत बड़ा लीडर नहीं है, बट अ बिग रोल, राइट? सो दैट इज हैंड्स ऑन लीडर, कि आपको वो सिखाते हैं हैंड्स ऑन डिलीवरी कि भाई उसको सक्सेस कैसे करनी है। अगर मुझे कैन्युला मुझे मुझे कैन्युला, यस, द वेन्स एनाटमी ऑफ दिस दैट, किस तरफ से किस डायरेक्शन में पड़ता है, वो किताबों ने सिखाया, मेरे टीचर्स ने सिखाया। लगाना किसने सिखाया? मेरे नर्सेस ने सिखाया, जो सीनियर नर्सेस वहां पर काम करते थे उन्होंने सिखाया। सो हाई रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देम दैट उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, दे आर हैंड्स ऑन लीडर्स। ओके, देन यू हैव एक्सपर्ट लीडर। एक्सपर्ट लीडर इज द वन हु इज थरो, समझो आपकी इंचार्ज, उसको सब पता है और आपको हेल्प भी कर लेंगे, हाँ बहुत बार आपको डांटेगी भी, बट दैट इज हाउ अ लीडर इज। दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज कोचिंग। आप जैसे अभी ओलंपिक्स चल रहा है, हर एक जो प्लेयर है उसका अपना अपना कोच है। व्हाई डू वी कॉल दैट पर्सन एज अ कोच? So that was the expert leader, like you're in charge and all. So I was telling you, I was giving you an example of players having coach. Coach is the person who is there with the person during the time of practice and also away when they are not practicing. They also take care कि खाना कितना खाया, कितनी एक्सरसाइज की, मैंने ये बोला था करने के लिए, वो किया क्या, every movement, say for example swimming, every movement the coach understands and gives direction. Not only कि वो ये तक देखते हैं कि पानी का बहाव कैसा है. Okay, so that is what is coaching. Today we do not want only mentors, we want coaching. We want coach for our nurses because they have to have direction for their life also. Okay, that is what is the third stage. Then comes the fourth stage, engaging and enabling leader. That means we are become at that stage where looking at me, many people want. Okay, अगर हम उस स्थिति में पहुंच जाते हैं, that means I have reached to stage 4. Then is inspirational leaders. Inspirational leaders are role models. Say for example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an inspirational leader. And he has not only inspired one or two, he has inspired many, many of us. So they have followers, they have people who want to live the path which they lived. So those are inspirational. That is the highest stage. और आप देखोगे तो ये मास्लो हायरार्की के जैसे एक हायरार्की बनी हुई है. So you have to take those baby steps to reach to that inspirational leader, and that is where we want to have in nursing. आप सब उस level पे पहुंचे. Okay. Coming to next is how are you going to prepare yourself is through these 9 parameters. That is social intelligence, interpersonal skills, emotional skill, prudence, courage, conflict management, decision making, political skills, and confidence. इसको हम थोड़ा सा एनलार्ज करके पढ़ लेंगे और समझ लेंगे. Now, when I talk about social intelligence, it is very important for you to understand that किस जनरेशन के लोगों को आप डील कर रहे हो. ओके, अगर मेरे पास में सीनियर लोग हैं, मतलब बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 40 to 60, मुझे उनके साथ में कैसे बिहेव करने का है, क्या करना है, तो वो मेरी सुनेंगे और वो काम करेंगे. अगर मेरे पास में 20 की उम्र से लेके 35 की एज तक वाले लोग, and I should also know which year they have born. Why? Because the characteristics are different for different generation. Just to give you a brief, that the different generations will respond to different styles. मुझे अपना स्टाइल चेंज करना पड़ेगा जनरेशन वाइज. जो लोग 1946 से 1964 के बीच में पैदा हुए हैं, अगर वो मेरे साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे उनको ऑटोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप स्टाइल में उनको काम करवाना पड़ेगा, या उनसे उनके लीडर बनना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स यू डू दिस, यू डू दैट, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग शो मी द रिपोर्ट. I want it today itself. By tonight you will have to mail me. That is autocratic leader. So these people who are born, मतलब मुझसे भी senior लोग, they were preferred by doing so. उनको authority चाहिए रहती. Now there are various reasons to it. That itself is a big chapter. I don't want to deal with that. So just remember vaguely कि भाई ऐसा है. जनरेशन एक्स जो है 1965 से 1980 तक वाले, वो लोगों को दे आर सर्वेंट लाइक स्टाइल नहीं, मतलब बेसिकली दे वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. उनको मतलब बोलते हैं ना मर मर के काम करने वाले हैं. सो वो लोग वैसे मर मर के काम करने वाले हैं कि एकदम काम करेंगे तो सुबह से लेकर रात तक. दे नॉट गिविंग टाइम टू देमसेल्व्स, इंक्लूडिंग आई एम born in between that. So not that I'm purely that way, but yes, we have that in our generation. We are too much hardworking, which is actually at times not required also. Then comes the millennials. I think majority of you are in this two generation. So millennials want lasers fair, मतलब आप हमें बता दो हम करेंगे. और उनको चाहिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडर्स, मतलब जो आपको आपको समझा के, आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. अगर आपको एक बार समझ में आ गया तो वो लोग अपने आप करते हैं, आपको उनको बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. बट उनको वो समझ में आना चाहिए कि मुझे ये चीज क्यों करनी है. अगर वो समझ में आ गई, देन दे आर द पीपल्स हु डू इट विदाउट इवन डायरेक्शंस. देन इज द जेन जी, जो आज का जनरेशन है, 2001 से लेके 2016 तक जो पैदा हुए हैं. दे वांट कोचिंग लीडरशिप. कोचिंग लीडरशिप मींस दे नीड a leader, not only to be like ये कर वो कर ऐसा कर. They want a leader to be friendly. They want a leader to sit with them and eat also. They want a leader to party with them also, and they want a leader who should also come to their bedside and put their hand and help them in patient, turning the patient, putting IV cannula. They don't want a leader who should just go and tell ये मत करना है, ये मत करना है, तुम अभी लीव नहीं ले सकते, तुम ये नहीं कर सकते. उनको वो नहीं चाहिए. So we have to understand every generation. अगर मेरे पास में इस मिलीनियल्स बहुत सारे हैं, तो मुझे भी समझ में आना चाहिए कि उनके साथ में मुझे कैसे बात करनी है. मैं अगर उनके साथ में डांट डपट के बात करूंगी तो दे विल पैक द बैग्स एंड मूव आउट. Okay, so I need to understand that as a leader. That's why it is important for you to understand कि आप किसके साथ में डील करने वाले हैं, कौन सी जनरेशन के साथ में डील कर. Then is your interpersonal skills that can be done by two. I told you team development and coaching. Now this itself is a big topic, so I'll just tell you कि टीम कैसे बनता है. पहले आप फॉर्म करते हो टीम को, फिर उसके बाद में ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग होती है, आप अपने नॉर्म्स वगैरह बनाते हो, और देन यू स्टार्ट परफॉर्मिंग. जस्ट बेसिक coaching process I told you in brief, so I'll not deal with it further. As a leader, you also have to become, you should know emotional skills. Now emotional skills are nothing but IQ plus EQ. When you say IQ, is not everyone who is having intellectual capacities, we can say IQ. IQ is person who can focus. बहुत सारे आप देखते होंगे, अभी रिसेंटली बहुत सारी CUET की रिजल्ट्स आई. CUET के रिजल्ट्स में 22,000 सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव सिक्योर्ड फुल मार्क्स। इतना इंटेलिजेंस लेवल हमारे देश का इतना हाई हो गया अचानक में? नहीं, probably they are very very focused, they are high concentrated kind of people, right? So they have intense focus, they study very hard, and they have got the results. They have better comprehension abilities. That means they think multiple things and they can grasp multiple things, retain multiple things. And to add cherry on top of the cake is their memory. Okay, so these are people with IQ. EQ is I should know what I am. अगर मैं मेजर डिसीजन लेना चाहती हूँ वो मैं नहीं ले पाऊंगी, आई वुड रिक्वायर माई अथॉरिटीज। मुझे मेरी लेवल पता होनी चाहिए, मेरी मेरी पोजीशन इन द ऑर्गेनोग्राम पता होनी चाहिए। दैट इज अवेयरनेस। अवेयरनेस इज नॉट ओनली इन योर पोजीशन, अवेयरनेस शुड बी देयर। इफ आई एम ड्राइविंग एंड आई एम नाउ नॉट इवन अवेयर आसपास में क्या हो रहा है, देन आई विल लूज कंट्रोल। तो EQ रिक्वायर्स अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ रेगुलेशन। सेल्फ रेगुलेशन मतलब आप अपने आप की जीवन कैसे चला रहे हैं। That inculcates motivation, empathy, very very important for a nurse, and social skills. Social skills is, if you are very shy, that does not mean you do not have social skills. Maybe you have social skills but you are not very expressive, because every human being is a social animal. So it cannot happen that, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना ये एंटी सोशल इंसान है। एंटी सोशल कोई भी नहीं है, क्योंकि इंसान अगर है तो सोशल ही है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू डेवलप दैट, यू हैव टू टॉक रेलेवेंट। आई कैनॉट टॉक टू अ चाइल्ड ऑन स्पिरिचुअलिटी, एंड आई कैनॉट बी टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉमिक्स टू माई मदर। सो आई शुड नो दैट डिफरेंस। ओके, देन कम्स दिस क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग मतलब कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम आया तो उसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है। से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अचानक में बहुत बार, अभी तो बहुत रेगुलरली होता है, नॉर्सेट का एग्जाम है, मेरे पास में स्टाफ ही नहीं रहते, सब गायब, सब एग्जाम देने गए। अब क्या करोगे आप? सो यू हैव टू क्रिटिकली थिंक बिफोर हैंड, मेक अरेंजमेंट्स, create a workforce where the patient safety is not compromised, as well as make sure that the system works in that proper way. Now, for that, you should have the clarity of your system. You should raise questions to yourself कि मैंने क्या करना चाहिए. Then come out with solutions and create your own path. ये कोई आपको बताएगा नहीं, ना ही कोई किताब में लिखा हुआ है कि एग्जाम होगा और इतने सारे नर्सेस चली जाएंगी, ना ही हमारे पॉलिसी में कहीं लिखा रहता है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू क्रिटिकली थिंक and then come up with solutions. So that was prudence. Next is courage. Courage can be built by creating trust and transparency in leadership. That can be done by establishing open communication. Now, in your in your cases, it is establishing open communication is that you should be able to tell people that you are there and you can just come and get them clarity. कोई अगर नर्स आपको आके मिलना चाह रही है तो ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि भाई नहीं, पहले हमारे समय में ऐसा होता था that we would never go and meet our nursing superintendent. We have to take appointment and all those things. Today's generation would not want that. Even when I go for rounds every day, some nurse would come, madam ये हमें problem था ऐसे था, that's okay, that's acceptable. So communication आपने clarity रखनी है. Then leading by example. अगर मुझे खुद को ही नहीं आ रही है चीजें, I'm not able to show chemotherapy drug mixing and all those things, या समझो बेसिक पेशेंट को टर्न करना है, मेरी नर्स स्ट्रगल कर रही है, many a times, many, that the nurse is struggling alone. I go, I say, they get very, नहीं मैडम हम अपने आप करेंगे, क्यों अपने आप करोगे, हम है ना यहाँ पर। यू हैव टू वर्क लाइक अ कोच, we'll help them in fact. So you have to lead by example. आप जो करोगे आपके आपके नर्सेस भी वही करेंगे. That is how, and not require that I am a nursing superintendent so I am doing so. 5 साल 6 साल पहले I was not. So was that I changed my character? No, I will not. Okay. Sharing your information, share with your team, share with your colleagues, share with your other members. Collaboration and feedback. फीडबैक लेना भी आना चाहिए. एज ए लीडर मेनी पीपल विल से अच्छी नहीं है वो, मेरा नहीं सुनी, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं हुआ. तो यू शुड बी एबल टू ऑल्सो टेक दैट फीडबैक इन अ पॉजिटिव वे एंड इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ. सिर्फ फीडबैक नहीं, आई एम वेरी ओपन टू फीडबैक, आई एक्सेप्ट योर फीडबैक. बट फीडबैक एक्सेप्ट करके क्या मतलब है, आपको अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है. एड्रेसिंग योर मिस्टेक्स एंड फेलियर. बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि आपने कोई डिसीजन लिया and it did not work well. That's okay. That's okay. You have just learned a new chapter. It's as simple as that. Okay. So that is your courage. Conflict management, again, it's a big topic. Remember that you do not have to scream, shout, do anything. If there are conflicts, go directly talk to that person. Remember, you don't have to talk when things are fuming. अगर कोई एक इंसान ऑलरेडी गुस्से में है, उस समय कभी भी जाके बात नहीं करना. उस समय वो चीज कर लो, उसके बाद में जाके बात करना है, और आपके बीच में जो मुठभेड़ हुई थी या जो भी फ्रिक्शन हुआ था उसको जाके सॉल्व कर देना. एंड दैट इज व्हाट अ सिचुएशन वेयर विन विन सिचुएशन शुड कम. आप भी खुश हो, जो दूसरा है वो भी खुश है. ओके. आपके साथ में बहुत बार ऐसे होगा कि आपके 2-3 नर्सेस साथ में आ गए कि भाई मैडम इसने ये बोला, ऐसे किया, मैंने तो हैंड ओवर देके गए थे. व्हाट इज दिस, यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू. पर ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि चलो चलो अभी निकलो, मैं बिजी हूँ. दैट इज नॉट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट, मेक देम बोथ colleagues back and healthy colleagues. You have to take at times a lot of decision. At times, I would say every moment is a decision making. As a nurse, पेशेंट ने बोला कि मैं अभी स्नान नहीं करूंगा. ठीक है, आपकी नाइट ड्यूटी थी. दैट इट सेल्फ इज अ डिसीजन मेकिंग. अभी नहीं दूंगा, 2 घंटे बाद में देना पड़ेगा, उस समय तो मेरे पास में ये भी काम होगा, मेरे को हैंड ओवर भी करना पड़ेगा. और चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू डिसाइड. ओके. मैं आज ये कपड़े पहनूं या वो कपड़े पहनूं, वो भी एक डिसीजन मेकिंग है. सो दोज ऑल थिंग्स, हाउ यू गोइंग टू. मेनी पीपल आर वेरी वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड इन देयर लाइफ. दे डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन टू मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ डिसीजन, कि उस डिसीजन पे पहुंच ही नहीं पाते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे रहते हैं, मैंने साइंस लेना है कि कॉमर्स लेना है, चलो मम्मी जो बोल रही है वो ले लेते हैं. Many of you would be like that. Let me tell you. Many of you would have taken nursing because you were not able to make decision of your subject, your liking, and you were not able to stand by that. So that also could be a possibility. So as a leader, we have to have strong decision-making capacities. Now, these by itself are big topics, but just to brief, I have given you that, how you are supposed to be, what are the steps of it and all those things. Political skills. Now you'll say, Madam, abhi humko politics bhi sikhayenge. So come out of it. No, I'm not going to teach you politics. It is political skill. That means being sound politically. ना आप बुरे बन रहे हो, ना आप बहुत अच्छे बन रहे हो. उसके लिए क्या है? Four principles if you take into account. That is social astuteness. Social astuteness is being a little street smart. आपको पता होना चाहिए किस समय क्या करना है, किस समय किसको क्या बोलना है. Otherwise, it will be a blunder. There are many people who would be, coming and telling, "Madam, आज आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो." You should understand what is the intention of that person. There is heating going on. दो लोग आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, आपने जाकर वहां पर किसी एक का साथ दे दिया, वो भी गलत है. So that is not social astuteness. This is just being street smart. Okay. In short or layman language, if I can tell you, then is interpersonal influence. Now, interpersonal relationship is different. Interpersonal effectiveness is different, and इन्फ्लुएंस इज डिफरेंट। मैं अगर आपके साथ में बात कर रही हूँ, मेरी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसमें इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाए और मेरी बात मान जाए। ओके, दैट इज हाउ द पॉलिटिशियंस डू ना। वो हमें बोलते हैं ना, हम तुमको ये देंगे, मेरे आने से ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, और हम जाके वोट दे देते हैं। So that is nothing but interpersonal influence. They influence us. And as a leader, you should have that. You should learn that. And that you can learn it by practicing. वो ability आनी ही चाहिए आजकल के समय। Networking ability. Now, best example, let me tell you. Astron में, एस्ट्रॉन में मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है। मैं कभी भी इनके कभी काम भी नहीं किया एस्ट्रॉन के साथ में। इट वॉज थ्रू अ नेटवर्क, यहाँ से वहां से वहां, एंड दैट इज हाउ आई मेट भाटिया। एंड ऐसी बात बात में ये हुआ कि चलो एक बार एक सेशन लेते हैं ना। सो दैट इज हाउ एस्ट्रोन ऑल्सो वी गिव देम लॉट ऑफ, एट टाइम्स वी गिव देम सम रेफरेंस। वहां से हमारी नेटवर्क बनती है। ओके, सो दिस इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल, बट यू विल हैव टू परफॉर्म इट। I hope the company does not mind me telling that. Just a example. Then apparent sincerity. मैं आपको पॉलिटिशियंस बनने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि वादा करके छोड़ देना है। Not all are like that. Let me also tell that our leaders, our political leaders, many of them, only a small group is very notorious. Rest all are good. So they also work through sincerity. So don't blame our leaders into that. We overall are sincere people, and we expect our future leaders like you to be apparently sincere. Apparently sincere मतलब आप हमेशा ही थोड़ी बहुत सिंसियरिटी रखनी है। ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आज आप क्योंकि आप लीडर बन गए तो आप सिंसियर। ये आपको शुरुआत से ही रखने का है। इफ यू आर वर्किंग एज ए नर्स, अगर आपकी ये आदत है कि भाई 5 मेडिकेशन देनी थी, अरे छोड़ छूट गया, कोई बात नहीं, आपने साइन करके छोड़ दिया, देन दैट इज नॉट सिंसियरिटी। सो यू विल नॉट बिकम अ गुड लीडर ऑल्सो। टेक दैट, टेक दैट एज अ, बोलते हैं ना, आपके गठान बांध दो कि देन यू विल नेवर बिकम। सो दैट सिंसियरिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो दीज आर द बेसिक 4 skills to become politically sound or developing political skills. The last but the most and most important, I've purposely kept this at the last, that is competence. Competence is the core of nursing, and that is nothing but your knowledge, skill, and your attitude. Bring together this green part is your competence. और वो जब तक अच्छा नहीं है तब तक कभी भी कोई भी एक लीडर नहीं बन सकेगा। तो कोर इज read your subject properly, write your exams not for passing but for the patient safety. When you're performing as a staff nurse or as an in charge or a TL or whatever role, perform it to the best, you automatically are a leader. So that is what all about your how will you prepare it. The last question, action. क्या action करते, what are the actions where I can become a leader? So remember one thing, that आप सिर्फ अभी सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस बेस पे हैं, इतने से पे हैं, ये ब्लू पार्ट पे, एंड आपकी पोटेंशियल मतलब आपकी क्षमता इधर जाने की है, एंड दैट विल गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग। नाउ आई एम एट दिस स्टेज, माई पोटेंशियल इज देयर, सो आई एम इंक्रीजिंग माई बेंचमार्क। जब मैं पोटेंशियल में पहुंच जाऊंगी तो ये परफॉर्मेंस हो जाएगा, फिर और आगे पोटेंशियल हो जाएगा। सो human beings potential is very very large. आज मैं अगर आज सोचती हूँ कि मुझे स्विमिंग सीखनी है, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, मे बी आई विल टेक बेबी स्टेप्स, मे बी आफ्टर 2 years 3 years आई विल बी अ गुड स्विमर। बट जो मैंने इतने सारे स्लाइड्स आपको पहले बताया वो सारा मुझे करना पड़ेगा, तब मैं जाके, और तब मैं जाके किसी और को भी सिखा सकूंगी। Okay, so this is just small example I'm giving. You have a lot of potential and go on developing your performance. आप अपने आप पहुंचोगे। For that you do not require anything. Remember that do it now. आज आप जो भी कर रहे, the future will depend on what you do today. So do it. The action is जो भी कर रहे हो। अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो पढ़ाई अच्छे से करो, अगर आप नर्स हो तो आप काम अच्छे से करो, आपके पेशेंट के लिए खड़े रहो, आपके पेशेंट के लिए सब कुछ। अच्छे से करो जो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है, योर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. इफ यू आर अ टीम लीडर, यू आर अ CHO, यू आर अ प्रोफेसर, you are whatever, do your best in the work which you are doing it. You are automatically a leader. Towards the end, I would quote my leader, and I look forward always to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said that leadership is not about titles, position, or flowcharts. It's about one life influencing other. And I totally believe into it. Perform that way, and you will automatically be a leader. I don't want to become a leader, but you automatically will if you influence even one life per day, or even one life in your lifetime. That is an achievement by itself. So that's from my end. Thank you all. Over to Astro.
So, anybody have any questions? So, ma'am will give their answers. Please raise your hand.
There was one person who had raised in between.
Please raise your hand. We'll unmute you. Chat box is also open. If someone want to ask question there, they openly welcome. Yeah, please tell me, Durba Dal Das. Yeah, please tell your question. Please unmute yourself, Durba Dal.
Yeah, ma'am, good evening. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one question regarding the work session. There are team
Yes.
leader who is leading us properly, but sometimes they are very angry or they are behaving rudely. So, where then how we shall manage that situation?
Durba Dal, we are here
Yes, ma'am.
not to change people. We are here to change ourselves.
Okay.
आपको किसी
I
और
need
को
to
नहीं
change
चेंज करने
himself.
का है. आप yes, if you want to change yourself, one is try. If I was in your place, I don't know what would you do, but if I was in your place, one thing is, if one person is angry at that time, उस समय कभी भी किसी से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. आप बाद में चले जाओ ना, 1 घंटे बाद में चले जाओ, या अगले दिन पे जाके बात करो और पूछो कि सर क्या प्रॉब्लम था, मैडम क्या प्रॉब्लम था, आप बताओ क्या करने का है, इससे
Actually,
ज्यादा और
ma'am,
क्या करने का है.
ma'am, scenario is that mistake was not happened by me, but my
हम्म.
previous sitting colleague was done some mistake. But I have taken the handover. Unfortunately, I did not check properly what he was mistake. But
So you have
later
given the
on,
answer yourself. It happens.
yes,
Very, very, very common thing that handing taking over में endorsement में problem आ गया.
yes, ma'am,
और
yeah, that is same
हाँ,
thing.
that is a regular affair. Every shift I get that. Okay, but now you also tell, yes, मेरा problem था कि मैंने handover. So that's a learning. Next time when you are taking the handover, you know what all elements you are supposed to be taking in the handover, and you have to work accordingly. आपको तो हैंडओवर लेना है ना. बहुत बार मेरे स्टाफ भी आके मुझे बोलते हैं, मैडम उसने बताया नहीं. नहीं बताया तो आपने पूछा क्या? आपका भी तो जिम्मा
Okay.
बनता है ना. यू ऑल्सो हैव दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ आस्किंग.
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
यू हैव टू हैव दैट चेकलिस्ट क्लियर इन योर हेड कि मुझे ये भी पूछना है, ये भी पूछना है, ये भी पूछना है. That's why I gave you a simple example. Yesterday, patient came at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is handing taking over time. Now, it was the night responsibility as well as evening shift responsibility to raise the need for food for this patient. Now, it was not done. Both are in problem. But I would say, अगर शाम वाली ने नहीं बताया तो रात वाली ने पूछा क्यों? ठीक है? That does not mean that we will just leave the patient empty stomach कि भाई ठीक है, अब हो सकता है उन्होंने दिन में भी खाना ना खाया हो. So these many hours of NPO, they're not good. राइट. सो आप एक अपना चेकलिस्ट बनाओ कि मुझे हर पेशेंट के बारे में स्टाफ से ये पूछना है जो अवेलेबल है. दैट इज व्हाई वी फॉलो द इस बार मेथड ऑफ एंडोर्समेंट.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the next question from Shefali Latesh. She asking how nursing leadership will inspire vision and how nurse leaders be are driving change.
How nurse leaders are driving change and how to create
How
vision.
nurse leader be are driving change.
How a nurse leader we are driving change. I have 450 people under me, right? So if I don't stand for them, I don't tell them, I don't direct them, I don't think of where's the gap in training, I don't identify how many seniors I want, how many experts I want, this and that, then I will never be able to do it. क्या ये चेंज नहीं है? या मैंने सिर्फ स्पाइनल लेवल पे काम करने का है? There are leaders who would work at spinal level. That is not bringing change. I have to make my every nurse empowered. Empowered to the extent that they can take decision in the clinical side. So that itself is change. Change मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैंने रातों रात पूरे नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन को चेंज कर देने का है. The newer generation have that kind of aspect, which you all have to understand that it is very very small change. एक छोटा चेंज भी अगर आप कर देते हो अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, you automatically have created some amount of change. One simple or example, there are many a times it happens that the doctor will influence, नहीं ये नर्स को इस समय रखो, वो नर्स को उस समय रखो. If you have stopped that part also in your organization, that itself is a change. मैं दिन को रात और रात को दिन करना change नहीं मानती हूँ. Right? If I even teach my nurse to carry a tray every time when she goes for IV cannulation or giving injection or something, that itself is a change, because I have seen nurses carrying it in their pockets. Change nursing में या कोई भी फील्ड में दिन और रात का फर्क नहीं होता है. There's simple things. So you have to think of simple. Don't think of all of a sudden becoming the president of India.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Shifali, are you okay with the answers? Do you have any answer or question?
No, I'm satisfied with ma'am's answer.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the next question from Vivek, he asking if fire consent is first priority.
Fire
Consent.
I don't think this is relevant to this topic. And consent तो government देता है ना, मैं थोड़ी देती हूँ.
Yes, okay. So anybody have any question? Please raise your hand or give your question to the chat box. Vivek, you have any question? Please raise your hand. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think you don't have, nobody have any question. It is all clear right now. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to Mahak ma'am. Okay.
It's always a pleasure to have you, for our webinar. It's such an interesting experience that I myself also engrossed in listening the entire the entire session, because I think leadership is something which which is something which everybody should learn, and we tend to learn so much from our seniors. So I think this webinar was such an enriching one, and a lot of information which has been given to us. Is my voice not clear? Hello?
It's echoing.
It's echoing. All right. Okay. Is it better now? Hello?
No, it's still echoing. I think आपके दो systems साथ में काम कर रहे हो. Mobile.
No. I'm okay. So okay. So I guess I'm going through a few of these quotations in the morning before I start to the office. So I get these two beautiful quotations. So I hope I should just share it, ma'am. That innovation is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, and that's said by Nelson Mandela. And all right, the voice is not clear as yet. One second. I think I'm going to go over to the mobile if it's possible. I should go over my laptop to my mobile. Give me 1 second, please. Allow me a second, please.
Yeah. Okay. Now, am I audible now? I hope
Yes.
voice is not echoing now.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And really sorry for the entire trouble. Okay, so basically, I was just going through few quotes in the morning, and I read this beautiful one from John C. Maxwell that said that a leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So I think this is very relevant to what you just told us, that as a leader, what we can do, how we can go, and how, how we can show the way to the team is what is the most important part about being the best leader. And what best leader than you, ma'am? Thank you so much for sparing your precious time with us. And it's been such a wonderful session and such an engrossing one. And thank you so much. We're always so esteemed and so blessed to have you across for our webinar sessions. You come for an hour, but you share so much of, and the best part is, the connect is your examples that you give. And those examples are always so connecting, and then you understand the concept in a better manner. So thank you so much, Deepa ma'am, again. Thank you.
Pleasure.
And
All my pleasure.
Astron is always so blessed to have you with us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Meg. And you all are doing great job.
Thank you, ma'am. All your
Thank you.
blessings. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Because,
Thank you.
I recently met someone and that person is a different part of the country, says that, madam, मैंने आपका session सुना हुआ है और मैं Astron के session सुनती हूँ, which was itself, oh wow, that's nice.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. That
Thanks for
gives us
connecting.
even more zeal to work harder. We have to work really hard, and the kind of benchmark that ma'am and sir have created, we really have to take that to another notch, another level. So yes, thank you so much. We need, we need shoulders like you to support us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Always.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
I
Thank
take your
you.
leave. I take your leave. Yes?
Yeah,
Yes.
Right.
thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. And we close down our webinar for the day. Our next webinar will be scheduled very soon. So please get in touch with us for more details. Thank you.